In this video, we'll see how comments would be helpful to improve the readability of the code, and also we'll see how Python supports various styles of commenting. So have a look at this code. So to understand what is the purpose of this code, so we need to spend few seconds to understand the purpose of the code. So like even if the code is very short and simple, so we need to spend some time to understand what the code is written for. So to avoid that such kind of confusion, we can use comments to provide documentation to the developers. So consider this code. So where the code is clearly documented. Comments in any programming language helps to improve the readability of the code and will be useful for the purpose of documentation. On seeing the code itself, you can understand the purpose of the code. Because of the comments provided, so the readability of the code improves. So consider this example here. So the first line indicates the comment. Always in Python, the comment starts with the symbol hash. So whichever the lines that starts with hash symbol, they are treated as comments in Python. So here the first line in this code indicates that so this line is a comment and will not be executed by the Python interpreter. And the remaining lines, they do not start with the hash symbol, so they are not treated as comments. So here this line, it is not a comment, so it's not a comment. So like that, so whichever lines that starts with a hash symbol, they are treated as comments and they will not be executed by the interpreter and they will be ignored by the interpreter. So you can have comments from the middle of the line also. So consider this example here. So where the comment starts from the middle of the line. In the middle of the line also, it is possible to use the hash symbol indicating that the rest of the line is a comment and will be ignored by the interpreter. So that is how Python supports the full line commenting, or from the middle of the line also you can have comments in Python. That is how Python supports single line commenting. So in other languages like C, C++ and Java, so they support the multi-line commenting also, but Python do not support any multi-line comments. So directly do not support, but you can have multi-line comments. So there are two ways to achieve multi-line commenting. Say for example, I want to have multiple lines of comments. By having a statement prepended with the hash symbol indicates that statement as a comment. So here these four lines together, they are treated as comments, so which are spanned over multiple lines. So every statement starts with a hash symbol, so they are all treated as comments. That is one way to achieve multi-line commenting. There is other way to achieve multi-line commenting by using the triple quotes. So Python provides triple quotes for the documentation purpose. So here you can use this triple quote symbol so to have multi-line commenting. Whatever the set of statements that are embedded inside this triple quotes, they are treated as comments. So because this triple quotes can be used as a multi-line statement, so all these statements that are embedded inside this triple quotes, they are treated as multi-line comments. So like this you can achieve multi-line comments or single line comments in Python. So remember, whenever you are using a comment, so it will be ignored by the Python interpreter. It is very important to use comments as part of the code to improve readability of the code. So now I hope you understand how to use comments in Python, what is the purpose of the comments and how to use comments in Python. Thank you for watching this video.